Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm actually doing my first advent calendar for this season, this holiday season. I have not had a chance to do any other advent calendars this season, but I am definitely going to be doing a lot more for the month of December, so stay tuned for a lot more advent calendars. I love advent calendars. As a kid, I used to actually every single day open stuff up, but for my channel, obviously I'm gonna unbox everything so you guys can see what you can get in these advent calendars, but I really do like every day like having like a prize or something to open up and look forward to, especially like when you're like a kid. These are like so fun. Maybe like not makeup ones when you're like 5 or 6 years old, but like the same concept. So this is the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty countdown. Kind of like an advent calendar, but these are in pouches. I thought this was really cool. I've had this, I want to say like a month now. That's how behind I am in filming. So I apologize. I got this a while ago and I just never got around to filming it. And I kept saying, I don't know if you follow my channel, you probably saw this in a couple of videos where, yeah, I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to film it and show you guys. And I never got around to doing it. But today the time has come because we're going to see what's in these pouches. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. So as always, I like to introduce anyone new to my channel. So welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I absolutely love makeup. It's like a passion of mine. I eat, breathe, sleep makeup. And I decided one day, like, I just wanted to do makeup subscription unboxings. And I was getting like 3 or 4 of them already before I had a channel. And one day I'm like, I might as well unbox this on an actual channel so other people can see, because I know I love watching people unbox what they get in their boxes, and I'm like, if I'm getting them anyway, I might as well start a channel and show everyone what I'm getting. So here I am. I want to say a year and a half later, I'm still doing my YouTube channel, and now I branched off. I do advent calendars, I do makeup mystery boxes, now I do makeup hauls as well on my channel. So the channel is slowly evolving into a whole bunch of stuff. I have a whole bunch of Sephora hauls of makeup and stuff that I bought over here, some Ulta stuff that I bought over here as well. Another bag. I have another Ulta Beauty. Like, I have so much stuff I have to film for you guys. There's not enough time in a day. It really is not enough time in the day, but we'll get around to it. But if you guys love makeup just like me, I would say subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family, and last but not least, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. We're gonna just open this up. So you know how it's like Christmas and you get so excited, it's just like you don't want to talk to nobody, you just want to open up your gifts. Well, that's me right now. I don't want to talk to the camera, I just want to dig in. So we're gonna see right now what I got. I also want to mention on the sleeve, I only paid $20 for this, so we can't have high hopes for a $20 advent calendar, but it says it's a $75 value. So let's see if it truly is a $75 value. I've done Ulta Beauty advent calendars. I want to say I did 2 last season on my channel. So if you guys want to see those 2 advent calendars that I did, if you want to compare like what the advent calendars was last year to this year, I'll link them down below if you guys want to watch them. Last year was kind of cool. One of them was like a piñata where you got stuff inside of them. It was like a little ball with stuff inside. So that was kind of cool. And then there was another one I did too, like the old-fashioned advent calendar. I'll link those down below. I've also done Sephora advent calendars too, so I'll link that one too, just in case you guys are interested in comparing Sephora to Ulta's. And it looks like so they're cool little pouches. So after this unboxing of everything, I'll have 12 pouches. I love the color pink, so I'm glad that these pouches are pink. This is, oh, the first one just fell out, but this is what they look like. And the first one was too excited. It was like, Aisha, open me now. So let's just open her up and see what she is. Alrighty, so number 1 is a Ulta Beauty eyeshadow duo. This is what she looks like. It's like a pink and a brown. Now the brown looks a tad bit light for me, but I definitely will wear the pink shade. So that's the first item I have. Number 2. Let's see what she is. Number 2 is a Ulta Beauty Macadamia Scented Hand Cream. So far, I'm not mad at what I'm opening up here. Let's see what the macadamia smells like. I'll put a little on my hand, because I literally just washed my hands, so I have like no scent on it. So let's see how it smells and feels. I'm not personally loving the smell. I don't like the smell of anything like vanilla. And I feel like macadamia gives me like vanilla vibe, so I'm not here for it. It doesn't feel too sticky. It goes right into the skin, so I like how it feels, but scent-wise, it probably wouldn't be like my first choice. Number 3. Let's see here. Number 3, we got a blush. I think I could definitely wear a shade like this. It looks like a pinky coral color. I think I can definitely wear a shade like this. So far, not too shabby. But we want to see if this is worth $75 worth. So I'll be the judge of that. So number 4, it feels like a shadow or a blush. I like to sometimes see like if I can guess what it is. I play like a little game with myself, like, what is this? And I guess, so let's see if I'm right. Let's say, I'm going to say a blush or an eyeshadow maybe. Another eyeshadow palette. I'm good. I know my stuff. This one looks like it's, let me see if I can open it for you guys. It's hard to open stuff when you have nails. And right now, these nails, it's not, yeah, there we go, finally. This is beautiful. I would definitely wear a shade like this. Oh, guys, I forgot to mention. You know how last Christmas I wore like all my holiday shirts for the holiday season? Well, I'm back. For the month of October, I wore all like Halloween themed shirts. So now I am gonna be wearing like all Christmas themed shirts. So I got my The Grinch shirt on right now. I'm definitely not like a Grinch. Like, I actually love Christmas. It's like one of my favorite seasons. I absolutely love it. But I just thought it was a cute shirt, so I bought it anyway. And but I probably wouldn't consider myself a Grinch, but I mean, how cute is this shirt, guys? Like, I could have not bought it. I did my nails, Christmas theme, candy cane, snowflakes, red. You know, I'm in that season, so stay tuned for more Christmas shirts. Alrighty, number 5. Let me guess first. Let me guess. A gloss or... I don't know, maybe like a gloss or eyeshadow base. Let's see. I was right. This is a lip oil and it's a neutral shade. This Ulta, you guys are finally, you understood the assignment, because so far I'm loving everything. Last year, I didn't like anything from both Ulta Beauty calendars, but so far I'm loving everything. I love this gloss. It's a neutral shade. I definitely will wear this. Number 6. Let's see. It looks like another hand cream. No, it's a face primer. The Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. I'm excited to try that out as well. It's a good way also to try the Ulta Beauty brand when they have these advent calendars, because you get like exclusive like the Ulta Beauty stuff. All right, let's guess. This is in a squeeze tube. I love how I'm closing my eyes like it's open and I can see it. I still can't see it, but I'm closing my eyes. I don't know, squeeze soup, hand cream, I don't know. A lip mask. I would have not thought that was a lip mask. So we have a face primer, a lip mask, and a hand cream. I like all of this stuff. I would actually use it, like if I'm traveling, I would probably just put all this in one little big pouch. Maybe one of my Ipsy pouches and just bring everything all together. All right, number 8. Number 8 feels like a gloss again. Let's see if I was right. Ooh, another gloss. And I'm loving the neutral colors because you can't go wrong with neutral. This one is a liquid lipstick. The first one is a liquid, it says a tinted lip oil. This is a liquid lipstick. All right, we got 4 more left, guys. 4 more left. Number 9. Is this a mascara? It feels like rounds. Let's see. It's a clear brow gel. Okay, clear brow gel. Number 10. Also, guys, what do you guys think of my new backdrop? It's white. I just thought I'd try something different. You know your girl is very glitz and glam and sequency, but I'm like, let me try the white backdrop and see. You know, I'm just trying to switch it up a little bit for you guys. So let me know if you like the white backdrop or you guys are here for my sequence backdrops. Ooh, she is pretty. This is a lip gloss, but it is sparkly. Look at that. Very pretty. The camera shows it no justice. I love this lip gloss. So we got 3 lip products here. Number 11 feels like nothing. It feels like paper. Maybe some type of mask. Let's see. What is this? I'm gonna guess this is like some type of eye patch. Like, can you guys see in the camera? Some type of like eye patch that you wear under your eyes, I'm guessing. But it feels dry, so I don't know if there's any moisture in here. It doesn't feel like wet. Normally you could see like if it's wet inside, but who knows what this is. I'm gonna look on the back of the box to see if it says the items. Okay, so it says under eye patches. So this was the first womp womp from the whole advent calendar. It just, I don't know, it just, I'm not here for it. I'm not, like Ulta Beauty doesn't have like eye patches for them, so it's like, what generic thing did you put in here? Like, and yeah, that's a hard no for me for this. My opinion only, so don't come for me. The last thing, number 12, what is this? This is a eyeshadow crayon. Number 12 is an eyeshadow crayon. This is cute. I'm here for it. It's like a plummish kind of color, like a plummy brown. I am here for it. I would definitely wear it. So, I like this year's. Like, this was cute. I was here for it. I was definitely here for it for the most part. I felt like you could have did a whole look with this pouch of all the things that they gave me out of all the pouches. And then we got 4 of these little things, and I love that they're all blue, color coordinated. So I loved everything except for this little, I don't know what this is supposed to be, some wannabe eye patches. What did you guys think of the Ulta Beauty 12 days of Christmas Advent Calendar? Let me know in your comments down below. Definitely going to reuse these beautiful pink pouches here. And I think I'm going to do this next. The Beauty Finds, because I've had these 2 for a while, and there's not enough time in a day. And it's like, this is why, guys, I film 2 videos a day. This is why, because sometimes when I come home from work, your girl is tired. She is tired. So we're going to do 2 videos. If you're subscribed to my channel, you guys already know. If you see me in the next video, your girl got the same thing on. It's because I literally just did a video and filmed one after. So thank you guys for being so understanding with that. I would love, ideally, it would be lovely if I could film something every single day for you guys. But your girl's always booked and busy. I'm always on a go. So when I come home, I crash. I want to shower, eat, and sleep. Not film. So when I'm ready to film, I like to just bang out the videos while I can. So stay tuned for the next unboxing. You guys know I love fragrances. I collect like mini fragrances. In my beauty room, I have a section where I have all my actual fragrances, big size, but I also collect the minis. But we're gonna see what these look like. I'm very excited. I actually use, for the most part, almost everything in here. So if you guys want to see what's in the Ulta Beauty mini must-haves, then stay tuned for my next video. As always, before I close out my video, you guys know what you gotta do. If you guys have not liked, you guys didn't comment, and you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. Show your girl some love. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who have been subscribing to my channel. I think I'm almost at 1,600 subscribers. Let me check my YouTube to see. I'm so happy. I'm at 1,595 subscribers. I'm 5 subscribers away from 1,600 subscribers. That is crazy to me, because when I first started my channel, I was like, no one is gonna want to subscribe to my channel. I'm like, nobody cares about little old Aisha, but you guys have been showing me love. You guys have been showing me support. I love my subscribers. You guys are great. Some of you guys message me literally like every video. You guys are so supportive. Some of you guys message me in the DMs. It goes down in the DM. Some of you guys message me on my DMs on Instagram, wishing me happy birthdays, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving. Like, you guys are like family. You guys are like my friends. I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys and the support you guys are giving me. So keep on showing your love and support. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.